Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, power sunroof, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.